What's good, wealth builders? It's your boy Devon back again with another video. And today we're talking about how you can start a cleaning business without even cleaning. Let's go. Okay, real quick, make sure you subscribe to the channel because we talk about making more money, saving more money, and building a better you and business. So without further ado, let's get to the topic on hand: how to start a cleaning business without even cleaning. All right, so let's get the first few couple steps out that you should know by now by watching my videos. But if you haven't watched my videos, here you go. And the first thing you need to do is go to irs.gov and look for the EIN number. Okay, you need your EIN number. Okay, and also you need a business name in mind or have a business name already ready before you do so. Okay, now you go to the website, put your business name in, and they'll provide you with the EIN number. Okay, now you go to inkfile.com. Okay, there's a link in the description, or you can just go if you like. And you go ahead and get your LLC, okay, for your business. Okay, so what if it's called such and such cleaning service, whatever it is, and you get an LLC. So now you're ready to rock and roll. Okay, you're ready to get everything popping. Okay, so next step should be website. You are not a reputable business if you don't have a website. Sorry, okay? So you need a domain name and website and all that good stuff. I recommend HostGator. HostGator is awesome. I use it. A lot of my people use it. Okay. Very, very easy to use. Customer service is 24/7. So you always got somebody to talk to if you're working 2, 3 in the morning, 4 in the morning trying to get something done. And something happens to your website and you need some technical support, you got a guy 24/7. All right. So HostGator for me is the way I roll, right? All links in the description. But now you got all that situated, got your website. Now you need everything, the ball rolling, right? You got the ball rolling. So how do you get these? How do you clean people's houses and get that set up without actual cleaning? Okay, so you are the front man for the cleaning service. Okay, you are the front man. You are the guy that is bringing in the customers. You're bringing in the customers. So then you charge the customers XYZ price, right? So this XYZ price is about maybe $20 more than them going to whatever maid service that you're going to use. Okay, so you're going to be the middleman. You're going to play the middleman on this. Okay, so you get the customer, charge them about $10 to $20 more, okay, than the actual price for the service that they're looking for. Then you contact the maid service or cleaning service, have that, you set everything up for the customer, have the cleaning service go out to the location, and bang, you made $20 just for having this cleaning service and you being the middleman, and you brought into the cleaning service to knock it out. Or, okay, so that's just one business model. The second business model you can do, real simple. You're still the cleaning service, but you find the contractors already. Okay, you find the independent contractors already. These independent contractors pay you a service fee, a fee just to be under your umbrella. Okay, and then you go out and find the contracts for this independent contractor. Okay, so you find the contract for them. Okay, you connect them with the independent contractors. The independent contractors give you a fee just for being up under your umbrella. That's how they don't have to find contracts for themselves. And boom, you do that. You do that for that location, for that area. Okay, now you have independent contractors in Atlanta, you have independent contractors in Savannah, you have independent contractors in Athens, you got independent contractors in Tallahassee, Florida, you got independent contractors in North Carolina, you got all these independent contractors, and they're paying you a service fee for you to find customers for them. Cleaning service without having to clean anything. You see what I'm saying? So you are the front man. That's why the website is a big deal, because this is where your customers come to see who you are, what you do, and yada, yada, yada. How to pay you, how to sign up for service, all this good stuff. You would do that through your website. Okay? That's exactly how you would set up a cleaning service without having to do the actual cleaning. Okay? Or the third model, which you can go to a contractor like Jet Set, I believe, or there's a few different companies out there that you can sign up for, and they give you a territory, and they find the contractor services for you, that's so you can use their services. But also, since you've gotten everything licensed, you've gotten your LLC and all that stuff, you can actually branch off and start using your own name in different places. And you can just hire people to do the cleaning for you. You can hire staff of your own to clean for you while you have the franchise name helping you get the contracts. So you have the franchise helping you get the contracts. You got the contracts, but instead of you cleaning, you go out and find people to do it for you and pay them per hour. So again, that's exactly how, these are 3 different ways to start a cleaning service without cleaning. All right? So it's fairly simple. It's not that complicated, okay? You just got to get the basics set up, and then you can do everything else and, figure out which version, which business model you're willing to use. Okay? So with all that being said, okay, if you want to really learn what the business models are and read and have the breakdown, I got the link in the description of the blog. You can check that out. Okay, so there you have it. This is how you start a cleaning service without cleaning. Also, do remember, Wealth Builders, if you want to sign up for the free newsletter, the Wealth Builders newsletter, and stay on top of business news, check out Wealth Builders Corner, where I go over 3 or 4 different topics of the day that we talk about. Also, I give a recap of the stock market. I give a motivational quote, all this good stuff directly to your email inbox. A lot of more stuff coming. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being down with the Wealth Builders. And do remember, Wealth Builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace.
It's the Wealth Builders, baby.